What is up, guys? This is Cool and today we're with another video, and today, well, is a different video. Okay, you might be questioning, why is there a jug in front of us? Well, I'm gonna show you a tutorial. Of what? Science experiment? No. I am going to show you a tutorial on how to put fishes in a fish tank. Yep, that's right. You got me. I got some fishes. Well, not like for shooting. I brought black fishes. Okay, they're baby. Oh, look, they want to go to the camera. Hey, this one's famous. Yeah, these fish are just famous. They want to see the camera. Well, there are 12 of them, and I'm gonna show you how to put them. So here we have this jug full of water. Fishes. Also, I have this vital liquid by which removes chlorine from fresh water. So fishes don't have like fresh water. They don't want fresh water. If they get a lot of fresh water in the fish tank, they'll die. So yeah, and this is some fish food here. For the tank, I'm not gonna go with the glass tank first of all. I'm going to use a thermocol tank. Like, it's not exactly a tank, but it's a basket. And because they're baby fishes, so they need this thing. It's like a tub, okay? So, yeah, let's get started. So first of all, what you gotta do, take the jug and pour some of the water in the jug. Wow, that was pretty satisfying. Alright, now the water is poured. Well, I need more water. So let's do our magic trick. Keep the jug there. Keep the tub there. Okay. Let's fill this jug up. Fancy now. So, we got this jug filled. We pour the water back in here again. Okay, getting the water in. What? It still did not fill it. Okay, so basically I need more water. Alright, jug filling. Ready, set. Filled it. Alright, time to pour water now. Hold on. Let me get this kind of close so you can see. I hope this fills it. Oh man, come on! Just a little bit. So we need the fishes to go till here. We need the water to go reach this part. So basically it's not filled that much. Oh man, I gotta fill that again. Oh my gosh, I filled the jug to the brim. Okay, well. This is quite heavy and I'm going in. Wow! Perfect. Now we're ready. Okay, so we had this tub up with full of water. Time to use the vital liquid. Okay, so what you gotta do is take this and drop it in the water. Just kidding. Okay. Hold on, I'll show you guys. Now we have this vital liquid here, and now. What you gotta do is, this is kind of chemical, so be careful with it. It has this kind of dispenser thingy, dropper, from which you just have to fill this. Hold on, I don't really know what's going on. Oh, okay. Let me get this straight. You have to do this. This drops. Why is it not dropping? Why is this not dropping? Oh, I figured it out. It was this cap which was stopping it. So now it's open. I think now we gotta just pour it in here a little bit, only a cap full. Alright, can you see? Only full cap. That's it. I think that's a lot. You can see this measurement, right? So now we put this thing into that thing. Well, that's perfect. Okay, everything's gone now. We gotta seal this because it's chemical. It can go in a gaseous form, and then all the science processes. Okay, let's close this tight. Good. Let's keep this guy tight. Now, this has chlorine for now. We gotta store this now. Okay, hold on. Okay, I got this fancy looking spatula here to store the chlorine. I washed it. Now just got to store this. It's like you're making a juice. You're making a lotion liquid. Oh my gosh, the water has a current. Okay. Well, some of you guys might think that thermocol is harmful for the fish, but no, it's not harmful for them. It's actually good for them in a way. So yeah, we got the chemical mixed. Wait for 1 minute. Wait. Done. Okay. Now the most best part. Time to send the fishies. Yay! Cute little fishies. Okay, hold on now. Let me open this thing. Okay, let's get this straight. Ooh, there are 12 fish, 12 black mollies in there. Haha, they suit Scribbler, don't they? If you might know Scribbler, my character, they suit his color. Black is my favorite color. So maybe, I don't know their names. I think I cannot identify by their names, but I will keep their name as Leo, Sagittarius, Pisces, Pisces, whatever it is, Taurus, and stuff, Libra. Okay, got that opened up. Okay, as you can see, this is open. Now, hey, look at them. They're so cute. Alright, time to leave them. Leave them in the water. Okay, here we go. So what you're gonna do is you got to leave the whole thing in there, like the whole bag. Look at that. They look like they're in the water, but they're not in the water, they're in the bag because the bag is camouflaged. And now you just leave it. Just open a little bit. Open this up a little bit. And well, you just leave it. Let them go. Alright, if someone wants to go, they might go. If they wanna. Okay, hold on. Hey, I think one is going. That guy is trying to go. Oh, they all are trying to go, but they don't know the way. Okay, he's getting it. He's the first one. Okay, get it. Oh, everybody is coming. That guy made it first. Oh yeah, who are you? I don't know. Okay, well, I think everybody are there. Out. Except for the blur ones, they're not out. That one's inside. Okay, so yeah, there are 12 of them. Let's count. 1, 2. Hey, don't move. Stop moving. Okay, fine. Don't move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Where's the 12th one? Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, I got all 12 of them. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. And yeah, be sure to like and subscribe. Hope this tutorial was useful for you guys. Yeah, thanks for watching.